Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am Shirley for those of you who are new, and on today's video we are going to see how this holographic lip gloss, because you know lip gloss is the new everything now.
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Don't let him make you have to kick him out again. Don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting over him.
To do is I'm gonna line my lips right now with my NYX hot cocoa lip liner. I know it may not make sense to you, it makes sense to me, so just watch.
Well, he makes it feel like nobody else. Oh my, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone.
Yes, so here I am with my favorite shade of them all from the Milani Stellar Lights Holographic Lip Gloss line. I picked up 4 shades of the lip glosses. Hopefully you all can see the different shades and I love them. I definitely was under the impression that holographic lip glosses or that holographic trend was just not for me. I was just like, oh, I don't know if it's gonna go with my skin tone. I don't know if this is gonna be popping on me. And I definitely fell in love with this particular line from Milani. So I was really intrigued and excited, and that's why I was inspired to go pick up 3 more. The one that I'm wearing right now, I paired it with my NYX hot cocoa lip liner with this particular holographic gloss, and this one is in the shade number 4, Prismatic Pink. It's my favorite. The next one that is my favorite is number 5, and this one is Fluorescent Fuchsia. I am a fuchsia chick. And the next one that I picked up is number 3, Luminous Peach. It's delicious. Like, I can't wait to wear this for the spring and in the summer. Yes. And then the last one is number 6, and this one is Kaleidoscope Purple. And for anybody that knows me knows that I love me a good purple anything. This line is not only good as a lip gloss, but it definitely is something that you guys can use as a lip topper. I tend to use like a purple shade lipstick from Milani. I think it's called Violet. Yeah, I think it's called Violet from Milani, and I use this shade as a lip topper, number 4, and it looks absolutely stunning. These definitely would make great lip toppers, honey. I don't mind rocking it by itself, honey, because it makes my lips look luscious, honey, them things. So yes, so this is definitely a yes for me. If you were thinking maybe that holographic trend is not for us black girls, brown girls, or whatever, let me be the brown girl, black girl, chocolate girl, island girl that inspires you to put it on your lips, honey. Now, I don't know about highlighters and all of that, honey, but for my lips, yes. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment in the comment section down below which shade of the holographic lipstick by Milani in their Stellar Lights collection you liked. And I want you all to subscribe to my channel, either the red button or when you see my face pop up anywhere on the screen. Subscribe to your girl's channel, be a part of the fam. Come on through. And I want you all to always remember that you guys are awesome, you're wonderful, you're amazing, beautiful people walking around out here. Do not let anybody tell you any different. And I will check you guys on the next video. Bye guys.